Students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll see Standard 8 Subject Science. In that, chapter number 12 and chapter name is Friction. In the previous video, part 1, we have seen up to main 2. Today we'll see main 3. Answer the following questions in one word, 1 mark each. Number 1. What is produced due to friction? Answer is heat energy. Number 2. Give the name of force that opposes the relative motion between two surfaces in physical contact. Answer is friction. Number 3. Which substance is used in the machine parts to reduce friction? Answer is oil. Number 4. Which one is the least among static friction, sliding friction and rolling friction? Answer is rolling friction. Number 5. What is used in the ceiling fan to reduce friction? Answer is a ball bearing. Number 6. Which force helps to write by chalk on the blackboard? Answer is force of friction. Number 7. What is used in cycle brakes to increase friction? Answer is brake pad. Number 8. Name the special shape given to objects moving in fluids. Answer is streamlined. Now we will see the main 4. Mark the following statement with a right if a true and with a wrong if a false in the box given against each. 1 mark each. Number 1. Static frictions is greater than rolling friction. Answer is true. Right. Number 2. Friction enables vehicles to move on the ground. It's a true. Right. Number 3. Ball bearing is a device which converts static friction into rolling friction. Answer is wrong. False. Number 4. Birds and fishes have streamlined shape. It's a true. Right. Now see the fifth one. Fluid friction does not depend on the relative motion of an object moving in the fluid. It's wrong. False. Number 6. Force of the friction does not depend on the nature of the surface. It's wrong. False. Number 7. We can tie a knot due to friction. It's true. Right. Number 8. Friction produces the heat. It's true. Right. Number 9. Friction can be reduced by using brake pads in the brake system of bicycle and automobiles. It's wrong. False. Number 10. The force of friction depends on how hard the two surfaces press each other. It's true. Right. Now we will see the next page. Now we will see the main 5. Answer the following questions in one sentence, 1 mark each. Number 1. What is lubricant? Answer is the substance used to reduce friction are called lubricant. Number 2. What is fluid? Answer is a substance that can flow is called fluid. Number 3. What is the use of lubricants in machines? Answer is lubricants are used in machines to reduce friction. See the question number 4. What do you mean by interlocking of two surfaces? Answer is cold welding of pits and spurs of two irregular surfaces is called interlocking of two surfaces. Question number 5. What is static friction? Answer is the force required to overcome friction at the instant an object starts moving from rest is known as static friction. Question number 6. What is sliding friction? Answer is the force required to keep the object moving with constant, uniform speed on the surface is known as sliding friction. Question number 7. What is used to replace sliding friction into rolling friction in the bicycles? Answer is the ball bearings are used between hubs and the axles of bicycle to replace sliding friction into rolling friction. Question number 8. What is rolling friction? Answer is when one body rolls over the surface of another body, the resistance to its motion is called rolling friction. Now see the main 6. Answer the following questions in short, 2 marks each. Question number 1. Explain why sportsmen use shoes with a spike. Answer is sportsmen use shoes with spikes to get a better grip on the ground. It increases the friction between shoes and ground. So, sportsmen would not slip while he or she runs or plays. See the question number 2. Explain why sliding friction is less than static friction. Answer is sliding friction is less than static friction because in this friction, irregularities of surface do not get enough time to lock with each other as the surfaces are already in motion. See the question number 3. State the advantages of friction. Answer is the advantages of friction are as follows. It allows us to walk comfortably on the road. It allows us to write on blackboard with the chalk as well as on the paper with the pen or pencil. We can fix a nail on the wall. See the question number 4. State the disadvantages of friction. Answer is the disadvantages of friction are as follows. It causes wear and tear in the objects. When a machine is operated, heat generated causes much wastage of energy due to friction. Some parts of machines is damaged. It opposes the motion of the moving object. As a result, speed of the object decreases. See the question number 5. Give 3 examples which shows that friction produces heat. Answer is the 3 examples that shows that friction produces heat are as follows. Warming of our palms when we rub them vigorously for a few minutes. When match strikes against rough surface, it catches fire. The jar of a mixture becomes hot when it runs for a few minutes. Now see the question number 6. What is a streamlined shape of an object? How is this shape benefits? Answer is the shape of the object for which the force of friction exerted by fluid on a moving object in a fluid is minimum is called streamlined shape. Due to streamlined shape of the object, the loss of energy is minimum. Therefore, object can easily move in the fluid. See the question number 7. A father and a son pushed their car to bring it to the side of the road. As it had stalled in the middle of the road, they experienced that although they had to push with all their might initially to move the car, the push required to keep the car rolling was lesser. Once the car started rolling, explain. Answer is when the car is at rest, we have to apply greater force because there is a static friction between the wheels of the car and the ground. As the car moves, we have to apply the force to balance the rolling friction, which is less than that the static friction. Now we will see the main 7 in the next video, part 3. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.